Dear student, in the previous lecture, we discussed about the definition of security, aspects of security, security attacks, and security service and security mechanism. Now, today in this video lecture, we discuss about classification of security attack like the active attack and passive attacks, and what is the model of networking security, and what is the basic terminology of the cryptography and network security. Today, I will discuss. Now, first, we discuss about the security attack. Information security is about how to prevent attack or following that to detect attack on information-based system. So, have a wide range of attack. So, a security attack are classified into two categories. First, passive attack, and second is active attack. Passive attacks means passive attacks are in the nature of eavesdropping and are the monitoring of transmission. And passive attacks are released two type of messages. First, release of message content, and second, release the traffic analysis. The release of message content means is only understood a telephonic conversation, an electronic mail message, and transferred file. Many contain sensitive or confidential information. Second type is passive attack like traffic analysis. This is the common techniques for masking content in encryption. Passive attacks are very difficult to detect because they do not involve any alteration of data. Like that, example, if Bob sent the information to Elias with the help of internet or other communication facilities, but Darth read the content of message from Bob to Elias. This is attack like the passive attack. But Darth is not converted to message. Only hack the message and read this message. So this type of attack is known the passive attack. And second is like active attack. Active attacks involve some modification of data stream or the encryption of the false string. While in passive attacks, no modification is involved. But in active attacks, involve some modification of data stream or the encryption of false string. So, active attack can be subdivided into four categories. Active attack divided as a masquerade, replay, modification of message, denial of service. These are four type of active attack. Masquerade means take place when one entity pretend to be different entity. It means a masquerade attack usually includes one of the other form of activity. We can say कि masquerade take place when one entity pretends to be different entity, like the activity. Replay involve the passive capture of the data unit and its subsequent retransmission to produce an unauthorized effect. This is the active replay attack. Modification of message simply means that some portion of legitimate message is altered or that message are delayed or recorded to produce an unauthorized effect is known as modification of message. Second, denial of service prevents or inhibits the normal use of management of communication facilities This attack may have a specific target. Denial, denial of service have a specific target. So we can differentiate between passive attack versus active attack. In passive attacks are difficult to detect, measure, or the available to prevent their success. It does not modify the data or harm the system. But in active attack may change the data or harm the system. This is the basic difference between active attack and passive attack. The active attack can be understood with the help of the example. Similarly, Bob sent to the data with the help of internet or other communication media like that. If the earth capture the message which is sent by Bob to Elias and updation, alteration, replay message is applied and sent to the alias. After alteration is sent to the alias. This is known the active attack. The alteration is possible in four ways like masquerade, replay, modification of message, and denial of service. This is the example of active. So for privacy, for security, we design the model for network security. The model of network security like that. If message, which is known as plain text, if message sent by the sender, so before sending the message to the communication media, it apply the some trusted algorithm. Like trusted algorithm is provided by third party, distributed of secret information. After applying the secret information of this message, then secure message, encrypted message means secure message is transmitted through the channel and secure message received by the recipient. So after receiving, before receiving, we decrypt the information with the help of secret information या key या algos and decrypt in the plain form of plain text. So this type of security model used in the network provide the network security because the message sent before be encrypted, sent before the channel be encrypted using the different type of algorithm, different type mechanism, and this encrypted message is sent via the communication channel, and after receiving the message is decrypted in the original form. So enhance the using this model we enhance the network security. Model for network security using require us to design a suitable algorithm for security transformation. First, we design mechanism, suitable algorithm, public, private key distribution for the security transformation. Second is generate the secret information key used by the algorithm. Third, develop method to distribute the share the secret information and specific a protocol enabling the principal to use the transformation and secret information for security service. For security model, we uses we require following requirements are needed. So is given first design suitable algorithm for the security transformation. Second, generate the secret information key used the algorithm. Third, develop the method to distribute and share the secret information. Course specify the protocol enabling the principal to use the transformation and secret information for the security service. Model for network access security like that. Opponent human क्रैकर सॉफ्टवेयर वायरस वॉर्म अपोनेंट यूटिलाइज कर सकता है एक्सेस चैनल के पहले यूज गेट गेटकीपर फंक्शन this gatekeeper work like for protection, so unauthorized access channel are not access data, so it is provide the security like that firewall. So model for network access security be using following requirements. Select appropriate gatekeeper function to identify user. Implement security control to ensure only authorized user access designated information or resources. Trusted computer system may useful to help the implement model. So thank you. Today we summarize the today lecture. In the beginning, in the lecture, we define the classify of attack. So security attack are classified in two forms: passive attacks and active attack. In passive attacks, data are accessed by unauthorized action, unauthorized user, but not modified. So it is very difficult to identify the passive attacks. But in active attack, we hacker hack the data and modify. Some effects are added to send to recipient. The active attack subdivided into four categories: masquerade, replay, modification message, denial of service. These are the subdivision of categories of active attack. So these attack avoid and protection and privacy and security we need a network model. So model of network security like that, sender send data before it encrypted by using the secret key or encryption algorithm. After encryption, the message is secure and encrypted in other form, sent to channel, and channel hacker hack the data, then not easily decrypted because it is encrypted data. Now, before receiving the data are decrypted using the same algorithm and create the original form. So we using the model of for network security, we provide the privacy and protection of the network security. So we needed some requirement for implementation of model of network security, like design some algorithm, information of key used by the algorithm, distribution and share information mechanism, and some specified protocol for enabling the principle of uses for security service. For model network access, we need some requirement: gatekeeper function. That gatekeeper function provide the security. Only authorized person give the permission of data accessing only for authorized person. But unauthorized person cannot access the data. And second requirement, implement security control to ensure only authorized user access, which is designated information and resources. So today, the summary of this lecture. Now, in the next lecture, we will discuss about different type of encryption mechanism. Thank you.